guys, Mayor Chet Man here with my beautiful wife Missy. We just finished our first meal here at Valenti's. It was amazing. I recommend everyone come check it out. And tonight we enjoyed some pasta and some stuffed seashells. We had chocolate cannoli. We had meatball appetizers, and we had homemade tiramisu. It was all amazing. I would recommend the entire menu. And we just want to say congratulations to Valenti's for opening here and choosing Sanford as their next location. Come enjoy it.
We had a fantastic meal. I had the fettuccine Alfredo with the chicken on top, and of course those garlic rolls with the butter and the garlic. It was fantastic.
I had the chicken parmesan and it was wonderful. It was delicious. I don't think you could get anything that wasn't good here. It was all delicious. We appreciate it so much.
Hi, this is Margaret Murchison with my husband Fred, and we are here at Valenti's on Main Street in Jonesboro, and we have had the most marvelous, fantastic, lip-smacking meal. And I had lasagna, and it was the bomb. And if you don't have anywhere to eat tonight, if they'll let you in, come on down. Thank you. It's a great addition to Sanford and Lee County.
Hi, my name is Gloria Williams. I'm here with my husband James Williams, City Council of Sanford. We are at Valenti's, and let's see, what did I have? I had Alfredo. It was really good. It was too much. You see, I got to take it home. It was too much.
Hello, we are,
The Huffers.
and we just had the most delicious dinner tonight. We have some
Fettuccine Alfredo.
and chicken marsala, and you have to definitely try the tiramisu.
It's
It is
wonderful.
delicious. Thank you.
Hey Sanford, I'm at Valenti's and I had a wonderful meal. Veal Marcellus.
Hello. I had a great dinner with my family. I had a Greek salad with chicken, and it was great, and also a cauliflower pizza.
Hello, Sanford. We are here at Valenti's, and we had a great time. The food was really, really good. I had the Greek salad. It was delicious, very fresh, and everything was good. Yep, you need to come by and try it. It's very good.
Hello. The food was very delicious. I had the cauliflower pizza. It was very tasty.
I'm Rebecca Salmon with
And I'm Brad Salmon, and we just had dinner at Valenti's, and it was absolutely wonderful.
I had a tour of Italy, which was a fantastic array. We had lasagna, chicken parmesan and meatballs, and some amazing desserts. The homemade peanut butter cheesecake and a tiramisu, amazing. You've got to come out here and try it.
It was very good. I have nothing I can add to that, but it was an amazing experience. So come on out and try it.
We had a great time. Thank you for having us here tonight.
All right. Yes, sir, Terry.
I'm Bobby and Art Atkins, and we had the most delicious dinner. I had the seafood lasagna, and he had the meat lovers pizza and the salad, and we also had a delicious appetizer, a seafood crab dip or Parmesan crab dip, delicious. And the dessert was delicious as well, delicious cheesecake. And we thank you so much, and you need to come on to Valenti's in Sanford. You'll enjoy it.
Hello, I'm Mayor Pro Tem Byron Moses Buckles, and this is my wife.
Sheila Buckles.
And tonight we are at Valenti's. What a wonderful Italian restaurant. We had a wonderful time, good food. I think we had chicken parmesan. And what was our dessert, dear?
I had tiramisu and you had cheesecake.
The cheesecake, yes, and it was just so delicious and wonderful and very tasty. Listen, whatever you're doing, if you're really hungry and want some great Italian food, come on down to Valenti's and they'll sure treat you right. Wonderful, wonderful restaurant, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy it just as much as we did. Thank you so much, and come on down.
We're at Valenti's restaurant. We're Vicki and William Kennedy from Cameron, and we've been to the Vass restaurant, and it was delicious, and this one is beautiful and brand new and delicious. And it was delicious food, and we really enjoyed it. The chicken spinach lasagna was excellent. What'd you have?
My peppers and onions stuff was awesome.
And the restrooms look like they belong on Park Avenue. Come for the rap rooms.
Hi, Thomas Mirish and my wife Emily Mirish. We're both from Sanford, and yeah, grew up in Vass. Love the Valentis down there, and this one is just absolutely fantastic. The Peniella vodka is absolutely phenomenal, and everyone should try it.
Everybody needs to try the tiramisu and the coffee as well. It's delicious for after dinner.
Yeah.
Good evening, Hal Hegler, Sanford City Manager here at Valenti's Restaurant. Just had a wonderful dinner experience. The food was delicious, service was exceptional. Just wanted to thank Valenti's for making an investment in Sanford. Come out, enjoy the food. It was great, great experience. Thank you.
Here we are on April the 30th, and I'm telling you, this is a historic day for downtown Jonesboro. Here at Valentex. I knew the man that was here before him, Dr. Larry O'Connell. He's a great friend of mine. As a matter of fact, this is where the water tank and the well for the city of Jonesboro stood. And the reason Jonesboro and Sanford merged in 1947, their fire department consisted of one of those great big wheels that they would pull to a fire on a hose, and the fire insurance was driving them crazy. So they asked to merge with the city of Sanford, and it took place on July 1st, 1947. So what was here was the Jonesboro water supply.
Good evening. My name's Sam Gaskins. This is my lovely wife, Linda Turbeville. And we had a fantastic dinner here this evening. Very good portions. We're carrying some home. I had the veal marsala, which I would highly recommend. And my wife had the veal piccata. Very good. We enjoyed it. The desserts were big. I always recommend the lava melting cake. So please come out, enjoy it. You will love Valenti's. Thank you.
And may I add, the staff was wonderful.
Yes, the staff was wonderful. Thank you.